when you wagu we gwana as your son the area you will if we there better ma mini where if then if we are je we jomeri agboa wa age me ma okeke nu we yes ikagu we gwan bana we ya ti we baba eni so odo ye gbe kagbe alado mi we ovia mimi na do agu we sin po so malawe do bere we ima we ni maya mu afure adolore eti mamekini mamuerie eti mamekini matari so ona do se de na ina beti wera me we obona ya gbowo kan ale ya si ekegbe iga mue ina weni mue imamwe ni ya amuria imo pawe yo ina ya gbo edole doyi mula wogo baba irigwe as your son forgive me for anything I've done wrong against you and your title remain your title. Nobody can drag it anymore. Eti we bani we no we gbe tun egun wa to.
Okay. When you speak up.
Ore speaker no one.
You are doing music. Where Ibizugbe also.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today na about Ibizugbe. When I say this life, balance. Balance at all. When they give Ibizugbe social media president, I talk and say, this thing not go last. You forget this thing. I don't know what to come over this man that period. He used the man talk. Now so he want be they insult everybody. I was like, even the both way they insult, not the evil they insult him. You rest for this social media president. Who gets him? He did there. Who gets him? Now the movie. Everybody know that he give himself the name. So nobody go feel collect him from her. As we do. He say no. Because maybe the GBC, they get money where they give at that time more. You can't begin, they join them, they do any Today now, today now he don't say he no need the president again. Even come on we they not give him. Then they carry we go they give a no give. Today now he don't talk say he no need the name again. He want give a the movie. More na can't see how he say they hail the movie when they call him. He gets up, they hail him. See, you see this social media, they tell una. Make una not they join anybody again because at the end, una go come see concur for the person. More una come see I say they hear my people. I put the video more na see it go shock una. I never cheer anything for this social media. For now, cheat until una go yawn.
You as a social media president elect then. And from today, I'm no more social media president. If I offend you, I apologize. I am sorry. Okay? Is it enough for you? I am sorry if I offend you. But I believe for this social media, before I offend someone, that person don't do bad. Because I know they offend the good people. And they only offend people that cause calamity, that cause trouble amongst themselves. You understand? Amongst a those and a those. So if really say yes, I not do you anything, you not do me anything, I just insult you, I am sorry. The friendship goes on, okay? Let's move on, okay? Please, I am sorry. Just forget about that, okay? So my people, I'm going to call my social media president elect doing in the Hausa so that nous ware nous we maybe we yes ima wo ekun owe emi segoe awa make nana miri abe but okpano we will continue to bring peace no matter how the saga will reach. That is why 247 I will be there with him as my brother, as my senior brother. We will do things together to make sure say where social media it will revise back to the stage. And I will yes, no more blackmail, no more lies, and no more those unnecessary fights. Because of our sunu, now we are going to the president in my time where yes, this is your time and this is your turn. Back again to the gates. So my people, let me try if my leader is online. My president, Comrade Eddy in the house. Please share the video, share the video. Share the video, my people. May God bless you as you continue to share. Share the video. May God bless you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Social media president. What? Social media president. Social media president. What many wabu wegwana as your son ideeru ihure ifwe de obetoni mamini where edeni fuya jin where jomeri agboa wa agere ma okeke nu we yes ikagu wegun apana we yati we baba emi so odo ye gbe kagbe alado mi we ovia mimi na do agu we sin po so manawe do bere we imawe ni maya mu afure adolore eti mamekini mamuerie eti mamekini matari so ona do se de na ina beti wera me we obona ya gbowo kan ale ya si ekegbe iga mue ina weni mue imamwe ni ya amuri ya imwa pawe yo ina ya gbu edole doyi nula wogo baba irigwe as your son forgive me for anything I've done wrong against you, and your title remain your title. Nobody can drag it anymore. Okay.
When you speak up.
Already speaking on one.
You are doing Mosi. Where Ibizugbe also Sabu.
I know.
Okay, can we have Ibizugbe?
Yeah.
On a Ibizugbe. There. If not really our Bonato. So, Oje, Oguana, no bar, if you die in that way, maybe to be made, I will do it in okay, originally, no. But later again, here, do I wear Obije, any anarchy, yet to boy of Ben of Ketiva, or King of Barbano, he might take my phone. Otona do gbemi gun na o gbemi gun yi ti e baba ila o yan pa ni ata ma re yi so wa wen na ge me ma go de live je na ti e o yan ka yi no ti re
yeah mo ti we
ni ya kris na ti e we bona do gun e gun e ni na re la video wa mo ga gun e o ma re so o be tam ya o ya je be are la video baba ya yi me ti me kemi ya nota de gbeme pe ya fe ijale ko wonu dawe akwo mo dane pegbe
o se
emi kemi ya fe ijale ko we to aso to amma ye iwe ka we enuwewu awe hia to fa na lao isagana na awewi no pa ye dese gari di mami ke na go badole doyi oba atope
ise domo. So, it's a wawe. Oh, baba, you want to borrow what they anyway, wahon, me ya fe in my tire. You understand? Sir, I don't want to hear any story here. If I hear any story here, I will block you out of here. Who are you? I am here. I don't want to hear any story here. You understand? If you write any comment that does not make me happy, I will block you away out of here. Because why? If you are not a presenter, you don't know what we are facing. You understand? Instead of we to make a settlement, I would be a creator of it. Always not creating it. Now another bad people still there among. Now where the baby to cause a problem. So we don't want it. Let's all old school people back to stage. My head be man with social media now. So Erame Eddy Uwese, my own brother over here. And he have a carbon lima with the Otaba Nouveau Taban as my social media president. Nous la wo baba. Nous la wo. Nage le vieko kugbe we nou ta bana ya ko ba toledo yi. Nou la wo. Anything ni mari mie ana ido mewe ezore baba naga mu eyo wa ta so that on make na wu. Roda we emi no ya le we mi ni u edo we se ga kuhun lugunre o ha mo gbo ne bi o. Ojo mari ti o Obokana do woka or do see ya and do me where the peace and my yeje and we are see demanding so that not bad we are bought. Let me measure our go me again a peace in it. You understand? So as everything be my people, una dey here for the lion smart. So make I still call you my brother Ugo General, if you get anything when you want to talk for the issue. But as the social media president, Otiene, Ogwane, Orieru Mene, Oye power man, yes, my son, you will still continue doing the good job you have been doing. Without where we stop. Because on air I'm a machinery. No, I'm a mercenary. No, yes. My goalezo of Baba. You understand? So, it's a man of why ya wa see. Now, la wo bloggers. I permission you. Any blogger can take this video to any destination. Netima ya na mio. Yes, we have come together again. And the president, he have handled his post back to make sure say where peace restored amongst those in diaspora, especially the presenter and presenters. So God bless you, my leader. Oh, my people, excuse me, even though 1 million people vest enter live video, it does not concern me. I can't understand. Because why? I've done my job and I hand over the power. If you bring a peace. If you don't hear, okay, no. But do man I understand? You will be the tea later. We go then again do river. Because I will live video, but then again do river. So my people, because my goal is up, my goal only Ibizugbe and my goal, and we will continue to achieve that peace, that love. Hello, brother. Hello.
Hello. Mere la video.
Okay, on a la vidéo là.
Mere la vidéo. Vous pouvez me voir la vidéo là.
Okay. Okay.
Vous pouvez me voir la vidéo là. See, me I tell you. That president still remain in that place.
Yes. No. Baba.
President will not go back.
No. Ugo. Hey. Ugo. Hey. I will call you back. Don't worry. So my people, I believe you were. I do where. Oh, I mean, Nata, understand. Who go with already? I believe you were. Oh, no, we are more enemy, and we are soon no. So later back, you clarify, but we not come with video again. You will be time. When no, attended I knew video, and I believe that my brother, because he's my lovely brother, he love everybody who go, we accept it. So I will tell many who tell many clear. No my home, la onaga video na here. Come rejoin in the Ibizugbe is no more the social media president. Imwak Baejo, I wear Oga coat. Now the power have go back to the main Oga. So my people, make una pull hand for our back. Make una still pull hand for him back. Make una talk am give it back. How the peace will from here continue where I stop. So I know say now something make am be like that, but that our product, it must surely come back to normal and put things clear. It made a mistake, and he must surely come back and realize that his mistake. So never you drag it to anywhere, or to go and form saga, or to go and form crook. But for me, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid in any crook. You understand? I'm a freedom fighter. So even when I'm turning when so let's forget about that. Okpano Ivano Iteme Edimofi Idausa is the social media president. Are from today, So my brothers and sisters, I am sorry if I offend you when I was a social media president elect. I am sorry if I use any vulgar language on you, but forget you when do saga when I use a word for. Now those commenters, I'm talking to the commenter and the caller. But you, a presenter who have stand for saga, and I use that seat to dismantle you, I don't have any apologize for you. You heard me? You heard me? As a presenter, you do saga for social media. And that time I was a social media president-elect. I come against your carpet and I flush you down and I insult you. Now you go to expect make I apologize to you. No, never. You apologize is like this because why? Now the work when I come fight, as I fight now, I'm already hand over the post to who the post belong to. That is my topic. Period. Ugarioriye, umanariye, yariye fois. Kore Konson Edimofi Idaosa is our social media president. We don't have Saga King. Only even Mamoya Adota. We don't, that is, I believe where you have Saga King. We don't have Saga. Anybody no one here a king in Yangwe Saga. A boha viola wa and Omudiakemaun the summoner. In the name of where yes, Saga King. That is was Ezo. I want to king of Ezo because Ezo is Sagano. We don't need it. Omaga Uemi, Onati, where we learn wo Yabome. Or apologize. Take it. All we know, we want your money, you build a platform. Emi Buni Mado Mubo. But